Look at these wonderful, wonderful plants. Wonderful. Look at nature. Guys, I'm telling you. Man, look at this. Guys, look at this one. Guys, look at my pepper. It needs some water now. This is what I plant. This is a sweet pepper here. Look at it. This is a sweet pepper here. And look again, guys. Look at this. My next hot pepper here, guys. This is what I plant in pots. In pots, and guys, I plant some spinach seeds. Them bursting here. I sow some more stuff. See them coming up there, guys. And look at these wonderful plants. Eh? Very nice. So nice, guys. Eh? And guys, look. Look at my pepper here. Look at these peppers. Hot pepper. Guys, what I plant. Look. Look. Look, guys. Look. Look at these wonderful peppers. I plant them right. I can have pepper to pick off my trees. Look at those beautiful plant palm. Guys, look at these. Look at these, guys. Look at these. These wonderful plants here. Look at it. Wonderful, wonderful plants. Guys, so amazing when I look and see. Look at nature. Guys, what was, guys, look, I show you. Look at those wonderful, beautiful look. Look at those houses. Wow. Nice. Guys, look. Look, guys. A close up look. Look at this house. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's so beautiful. Guys, look at that one over there. That's where I work, guys. That's over there. That's where I work. Look at those plants here. Look there, guys. I don't know even the name of these plants, but look at it. Wow. So, so nice. Guys, comments and tell me if you love these beautiful looks. Look at these plants. Wow. With pink, it's so nice, guys. Very, very nice. This is the avenue. Look at that house over there. Guys, look. Look, guys. Look. Look over there. Look at that. This one here. Guys, look at this one. So nice, amazing. It's so much nice, awesome, amazing. Very much amazing, guys. Look. Look, guys. It's so wonderful and nice. Look, guys. Look. Let's go up this side and look. Guys, I'm telling you, having a little evening walk because look. Look, guys. Look at this one over here. Look at this beautiful house. Guys, look. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look up there. Guys, take a close up look. Wow, awesome. Look at these flowers. Guys, look at this. Nice flower. They look right here. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Ooh. Look at upstairs part there. Awesome. So beautiful. It's so beautiful, guys. So beautiful and nice. Look at that view. Look at that view, guys. Ooh, look at that view, guys. Look at that, guys. It's guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Wow, real nice. So, guys, I'm just having a little evening walk here, and I'm having you here, just taking a little walk out. You know, when you're getting young, old, you know, you have to keep the body active and fit. Guys, tell me if you love this pattern. Tell me if you love this pattern here. Look at this. Wow. Awesome. Real nice. Look at this, guys. Wow. Real nice. Real nice. So, guys, so come to our next video. End of the video. So, I'm out.